Good morning, children. Today I'm going to teach you all numericals on the chapter force and pressure. Okay, so in this chapter, either we may have to find the value of force, or how much is the pressure, or what is the area. Out of these three things, one value has to be found and the other two values will be given to us. Okay, so as we know, the unit of force is Newton, pressure will be Pascal, and area will be meter square. Okay, and you must know the units very well. Okay, and you have to write the correct units, and the conversion of the units is also important. Okay, conversion of the units is important because it may be given in the smaller unit, you have to convert in the bigger unit, meter square, or like if centimeter square has been given, you have to convert in the form of meter square. Okay, let me do the first question. A force of 25 Newton. So what things are given? Given force is equal to 25 Newton. Okay, acts on a body of area of cross section 20 centimeter square. Area is given 20 centimeter square. Here the unit has been given to us as centimeter square, but for our calculation we have to convert that in meter square. Okay, it's asked calculate the pressure exerted by the body. Pressure is how much? Okay, now let's first convert centimeter square in meter square. Now 20 centimeter square can be written as 20 upon, now centimeter we are converting in meter. Okay, so 1 meter will be 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So but there is centimeter square, centimeter, centimeter, two times. Got it? So 100 and 100. So centimeter square, if you have to convert into meter square, we have to divide by 100 and 100 two times. Okay? So 100 into 100. Now this becomes meter square. Okay? First work is to convert into the form of meter square. As we know now, pressure is equal to force upon area, or pressure is equal to force has been given 25 Newton, write that. Area has been given 20 upon 100 into 100 meter square. Yes, or pressure is equal to 25 Newton. Now, since there is a fraction over here, 20 upon 100 into 100, we get the right in the form of reciprocal. 25 Newton into 100 into 100 upon 20. Because value 25 has been divided by 20 upon 100 into 100. So, a fraction cannot divide a whole number. So, what we do in that case is change the division sign into multiplication sign and write the reciprocal. Clear? So this is meter square. Pressure is equal to, let's cancel the numbers. 0, 0, 2 5s are 10. 25 5s are 125. And there are 2 zeros. Now, for our easiness in calculation, what we do is we multiply the whole numbers. Don't multiply the zeros with any whole number. It will be quite difficult for you, lengthy, okay, time absorbing. So what we do, multiply just the whole number 25 with 5. 25 5s are 125, and count the zeros. 2 zeros are there, just insert the zeros. Now pressure, the unit of pressure is Pascal. So we write, therefore pressure is equal to 12500 Pascal. Okay, we use the same formula, pressure is equal to force upon area, in every calculation. Clear? Let us suppose, what is the magnitude of force required in newtons to produce a pressure? Now in this case, pressure is given 27500 Pascal. Pressure is given. Area is given. Okay, area has been given 200 centimeter square. Likewise, what we've got in the first question, it's given in centimeter square. We have to convert this in the form of meter square. So we can write this as 200 upon 100 into 100 meter square. Okay, centimeter square has been converted into meter square. In that case, we divide by 100 into 100. We need to find force. is how much. Okay, we know again pressure is equal to force upon area, or we can write force is equal to pressure into area also. Okay, making force F as the subject of the formula. We bring F this side, P will multiply A. Okay, so force is equal to, pressure is given 27500 into area is 200 upon 100 into 100. Okay, the unit of force, it will not remain as Pascal, centimeter square, meter square. Force has a separate unit, different unit, that is called Newton. That will be converted directly. We can write it in the form of Newton now. Cancel the zeros. Okay, let's multiply the whole numbers now. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 2s are 4, 5. So 550 Newton. This will be the force. Okay. So this is it on numericals, on physics. So you can practice from page 42. Okay. And I presume that I expect that you all ask questions, whatever is not understood. Okay, this much for today. Thank you very much.